Good morning. Good morning. Welcome in, YouTube. How's everyone? If I take any trades, you all will know it. You will hear Team Bull trading in the background as well. I don't always take their trades. If you do, just know I will always let you know if I take a trade. What's up, everyone? Welcome in. If you have any questions, YouTube, drop them in the comments. Do my best to answer, okay? Good morning. That's all good, Thomas. It was a good run for them. Everyone have a good weekend.
It's a quiet morning.
All right, Team Bull. What's up?
So Biffy,
How's it going this morning?
all good, bro.
Nice.
Here trying to make money.
Let's do this.
Okay, let's see. We touch 205.
It's a long drive for sure. See if we can catch a trade this morning. What I'm watching for, I was hoping we could push up, maybe get like a reject, but I like shorts below pre-market low when we confirm. Let me adjust this where we can see a little better.
You see this level on QQ 459.91. We will happen here. Daily level 459.91. Which is in right now.
What a sell-off.
Yeah, man. It's hard. We are at daily QQ daily level. If we hold the liquidity sweep of 20 points, maybe up.
Still looking for a downtrend entry. We're just gonna take a few minutes to confirm if we do. Sorry, a few 5-minute candles rather. The candle's actually insane.
Stick of the trend.
Hello! What's up, Team Bull? What's up, Grizzly? What's up, Greg?
What's up?
So,
What's up, everybody? Happy Monday. Happy start of 75 Hard for those who are participating with GD and I.
All right, gotta focus.
Manifest. Good morning, everybody.
let's see if we can touch this QQQ 459.91 level. And take the shots. Thank you.
That is right. We do have news. Glad you brought that up. Football.
New York meet up again. That was awesome.
PMI. PMI in like at 9:45. Everyone.
You guys touching daily level on QQQ from below.
This is your morning reminder, everybody, to choose discipline over dopamine as well.
All right, everyone. I'm watching this. Setting up for a possible short entry. Just doing what I like. So I'll let y'all know if I take anything.
Free ball overnight. Damn. What are you guys looking at so far today?
I can take shots on here. If it's valid or not.
Well, well, well. What we got going on in chat? What am I missing? Let's leave politics out of the chat. Focus on making money. Or you can just talk about in DMs, whatever.
Let's see what these boys and girls give us today. Boys trying to find a W. I don't typically trade Mondays, but maybe we'll turn the tide 2025. Maybe we'll turn the tide 2025. Maybe we'll turn the tide 2025. So as far as SPY goes,
I need this 5-minute candle chill here.
Scapino, I honestly don't have any bounces for a long time. Not from a daily perspective, not from a weekly perspective, not from a 4-hour perspective. Literally none of my higher time frames. None. Just gonna wait this first 15 and then see what they give us.
We got data dropping YouTube. I wouldn't have no trades open right now. Even though it looks great for shorts, we're gonna have to wait
See what they give us to work with this 15-minute orb.
wait until it drops. I'm gonna wait till after PMI everyone.
When's that? 4 minutes from now?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah. Probably do the same.
If you all watched my weekly watch list video on YouTube, look how we retested the ES zone from below. That guy's on my nerves. Had to get rid of him.
Wait for the news.
Yeah. Zones are hitting from the weekly watch list. I blame the data for keeping us out of that trade. I was hoping we get a retracement. We'll see.
Those shorts working out nice, Greg. Do you end up taking them or no?
Nah, I didn't take it.
Oh, dogs.
Unfortunately, didn't take it.
I'm about to sneeze, fighting off a sneeze. Well, I appreciate you all for being here. I plan on going live quite a bit this week, so. Just want a little bit higher for a short entry. I'm gonna give it a try if we can push up closer to that. What we get to there? It was pretty close there. I probably should have taken up my position, but I wanted a little higher. Wanted a little bit higher.
Picture's funny. Y'all crack me up for real.
Take it back, guys. Take it back.
Started some NQ shorts. I'm in NQ shorts. Average is 1920. I wanted my average to be closer to 040. Well,
Check.
all right.
Puts are expensive.
Just trying to pump up. See if it hits my stop. No, it's gonna hit my stop, everyone. It's my bad. I waited on the 50% retracement. It's just trying to reverse here.
Yeah, I'm looking here right now.
Still like this reject. Just getting too much risk on it. That's wild. My stop was sitting at the top of that candle, exactly where we reject. I forgot my stop. No, I'm not still in the trade. It hit my stop at the top of the confirmation candle.
Yes, let's see what happened at 116. 19116.
In the month.
So we can get shows here.
I like this setup still. It's just gonna push up too far. probably just gonna be a flat day. I caught one winning trade this morning pre-market on my eval, then I gave it back on that trade on my eval.
Holy shit. Ripper.
First time I try the trend again. No, we got a trade on Friday on the trend, didn't we?
Okay, guys, we're approaching 116, 114, 116.
I hope we get some supply and demand so I can trade my personal account. That's what I'm waiting on, everyone. I'm focused. Supply and demand has been it. Trend has been hit or miss, the trade we just took lately. That's the worst thing about evals. When you take a loss, set you back a day, I hate that. Remember, any trade we take, always be sure you manage your position. Anytime you take a trade like this, your stop should be at your confirmation candle or have a set stop, whatever your risk, whatever you're willing to risk. If we reclaim this pre-market low, there's not even no point staying around, but we could possibly short here if we could reject. We could confirm more downside here. It's the last day of the month. We always keep that in mind. Last day of the month. Watch the market right at close today. I bet we get some wild price action.
let's see, we hold this QQQ daily level, 459.
Erase your profits for the week. It's only Monday. You catch another trade already? Jesus. I mean, have you all noticed the people that actually are grinding out the funded accounts, making a living from them? They go through the evals. I don't even think they worry about eval accounts. You know, they just go until they get payouts. Just keep going. But I don't know. I don't think I've had that many evals, but I've had a lot. So. Just think, if I can get that bot finished for us, YouTube, we'll have a lot less stress on our hands. A lot more time, too. So. The last thing I'm building in the stock market world. Drop the questions. We got time. I mean, you can add to your winning position. Just make sure it's part of your plan.
I got that in NQ shorts.
Oh, Greg just got an NQ shorts, everyone.
Shorts.
It looks decent. It's not something I'm going to take,
And
but
take 1 to 1.
feel free to take it with him. Could be, Honda. Could be. So if you're using, let's say for instance, if you're using Take Profit Trader, once you pass their evals, that's the only thing you pay for. There's not an activation fee for your funded. And you can reach a payout from day one of being funded if you meet the requirements. If you want to try them out, just go You can use code Grizzly, give you the best discount available at the time.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. But I haven't trimmed yet. I'm about to do my first trim.
My code, yeah, code Grizzly will make it get waived as well. Risky.
Yeah.
I mean, you have to pay for the eval. You don't have to pay for once you pass it for the funded. This market's going to push back up the pre-market high, I would imagine.
Let's see what happened here. If I cut the shares or not. Again. It's still inside.
You have to reach out to him, Risky. Right here's what I would watch for a reject, everyone. Right, pre-market high.
Get above 45. I'm gonna close. Well, 145. I'm gonna be closing the shorts. Hit my stocks.
All right, everyone, make sure we watch this. Even if I get off here, make sure you're watching this for a possible reject. I really like this. That's why, we've had some more big moves down. Days that we have big moves, the next day, the typical price action. This was a little further down, kind of got me here. That's why we tried it. But a lot of times when we have big moves, one thing I've noticed, you'll chop back up to pre-market high, then you'll kind of just consolidate the rest of the day. Occasionally you'll make a big move towards the end of the day, but this is, your typical.
See you tomorrow, guys. Stay smart and stay safe.
See you, Greg.
See you, man. Bye.
One winner and one loser for me today. Maybe yet. Yeah, that's what I'm watching for. Reject up there. That's correct. Starts around that 260. I've been catching some of the best trades pre-market. We're gonna have to start doing some live trading pre-market as well. I'm just gonna start hopping on every time I see a nice setup, starting the live. You can trade futures pre-market. Yeah, even when we have a losing trade, everyone, our trades together always managed well. See, even though we waited, we did this right? If we got a loss, it's a losing trade, but we waited for the retracement for the most part. Ideally, our entry would have been about right here. Stop right there. And that's all you can do is manage your trades. Wait on confirmation. Too much risk on this candle to enter off the close, so we waited on the pullback. That's all you can do. But that was possible trend. Like I've been telling you all, supply and demand is where the best trades for me come in. So. All right, I'm assuming everyone has the demand charted up, or yeah, sorry, has supply charted at pre-market high. That's what I'm going to be watching personally. So, I'm going to hop off here. I will be back live tomorrow. See if we can catch some trades.